Hello friends, welcome to Interior Decor Designs. In many homes, the dining room is often regarded as more formal, sometimes even stuffy space in the house. Today's modern families tend to take a more casual approach to gathering for meals, whether it's dinner room, around the kitchen table, breakfast in a cozy banquet, or lunch at the kitchen island. Dining room tables seem to be reserved for fancier occasions and holiday festivals. However, we can learn a thing or two from world-renowned interior decorators whose attention to the dining room speaks for itself. Dining rooms are special and should be central hub for entertaining and family gatherings. No matter your style, there's dining room decor to suit your taste, from timeless elegance with antiques and calmer, cooler palettes to taking design risks with saturated hues or bold wallpapers. Designers discover clever ways to make small pieces feel larger and continue to dream up inspiring upgrades for walls, lighting, fixtures, furniture and flooring. Take cues from these stunning dining room ideas, all from designer homes, to update your space with elevated decor. Our dining room walls are the one space in our home that gives us creative license to do something totally unexpected. Even the tiniest of the dining rooms can handle pattern wallpaper and dark wall colors. Yes, your dining room is shared with family and guests, but most often it sits empty. The good news is that because your dining room isn't used 24/7, you can be more creative with color and decor. We love the idea of making your dining room a place where we want to spend more time. It's a challenge to warm up an open dining space or bring character to a plain room. Reclaimed wood accents are on trend right now and can center an open dining space with color and texture. For a plain dining room, a wood accent wall adds a much needed architectural element. If you would like to keep your dining room look neutral, texture and pattern is the secret to keep it interesting. Metallic print wallpapers in contemporary and graphic patterns bring light into the room and highlight your lighting fixtures. Even the most neutral or minimalist room benefits from glimmer of metallic accent as long as you keep your color palette simple. Dining room built-in give you the opportunity to add pretty accent colors without painting any walls. No built-in cabinets, no problem. China cabinets, hutches and even bookcases can be customized with colors. You will want to choose an accent color that pops from the cabinetry to really show it off. Sprinkle your accent color around the room with table linens and artwork for a professionally designed style. It isn't always possible to paint your dining room walls, whether you are a renter or you just don't have time to tackle a paint project. Draperies can give you the color you need. Print or pattern draperies can add a lot of color to your dining room, giving you plenty of accent colors for your decorating palette. The best tip for using draperies to decorate a wall is to be generous with them. This means adding an extra set of the rod to fill out the walls. If you would like to use your dining room draperies as a focal point, install a drapery rod much wider than your window and fill the extra space with the additional drapes. We love stripes, especially on the walls. Bold horizontal stripes can make a small dining space look larger and give illusion of architectural detail. You will want to keep your stripes simple with a few colors, especially if you have a small dining room. Artwork in a stripped dining room looks best when it's simple and large. Small or busy artwork gets lost in wall of stripes. Don't be shy about mixing pattern and colors when you decorate your dining room. You have more creative options for the least used rooms of your homes. so be fearless in your choices. If you want to mix patterns like strips and florals but don't want to go overboard, a monochromatic color palette can help. Decorating in various shades of the same colors give you subtle color palette and is accommodating for any type of pattern within that color palette. The best of both the worlds. A photo mural on your wall can make your dining room look as if it goes on forever. A soothing beach scene mural gives guests a relaxing view to enjoy with dinner. Treat your wall murals as an accent wall, pulling colors for your decorating palette. Friends, if you are enjoying these designs and ideas on modern dining room designs, then you should definitely consider to subscribe to our YouTube channel and be a part of our YouTube family. On Interior Decor Designs, our aim is to simplify and give ideas to our subscribers to make them aware of modern interior decoration and design ideas. If you want more design ideas on interior and exterior designs, then you should definitely check out our website interiordecordesigns.in and also download our Android app available on the Play Store from the link in the description box below. You can check out our social media profiles like Facebook, Twitter, Pinterest, Instagram. We love bold colors and young dining room is the perfect spot to show it off. Like a powder room, your dining room can handle your favorite color easily. If you aren't ready to commit to painting every wall in your favorite bold color, let the architectural detail of your dining room be your guide. Chair rails, wainscoting and wall molding gives easily separated break in wall color. If your dining room doesn't already have wall details that work with the two-toned walls, consider adding molding or simple stripe separating the two colors. We know that our dining room have 4 walls, but did you know that there's 5th wall to decorate? Your dining room ceiling is an important part of your decorating plan. A chandelier is often the focal point for your dining space, putting all eyes on your ceiling. You can take advantage of that extra wall by adding an accent color, reclaimed wood or even wallpaper. The ceiling is your blank canvas. We love the dining room with that wow factor. It's easier than you think to create a stunning contemporary dining room in your home with wallpaper and colors. One of the easiest way to create a statement on your dining room wall is wallpaper with graphic pattern. Black, grey and white patterns give you a clear palette for adding vibrant accent color. A simple color palette allows your wallpaper to shine and your accent color to play a supporting role. To add an illusion of space, when you have your living room and dining room combined, set up one or more skylight or floor-to-ceiling glass windows in your living room and dining areas, especially above the dining table. This will ensure that abundance of natural light in the room. Plus, what is not to love about having lunch, dinner, gazing at open sky or world going by outside? Bring a wheel between the living room and the dining hall space and separate the area without bringing in crowded feeling. You could even use a wooden frame to make the division seem less willowy. Whether it's a lacy vintage curtain or printed drape to match the existing decor, your independent yet connected living dining space is ready. Do up your living room and dining area floors so they do all the talking. Add little pops of design and color to the area. There's an easier recognition of the individuality of each dedicated space. These little touches will also brighten up your living room to make it a cheerful space. When you lack the opportunity to do some major changes to the settings, give this simple style a try. friends, hope you like this video on modern dining room designs, and for more such videos, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and also click the bell icon so that you never miss any future updates whenever we upload a new video. For the latest and trending interior decoration designs, you can visit our website interiordecordesigns.in and check out the latest trend in interior decorations. You can also follow us on our social media profiles like Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, Telegram, Pinterest for more design ideas. If you want to take interior decoration design ideas in your pocket and on your smartphone, then you can download our Android app available on Play Store from the link in the description box below. With this, we finish this video here. You can watch the next video that is suggested to you according to your choices, and we'll meet again soon in the next one. Till then, bye and take care.